Assalamualaikum and hello. Let's continue with the second part of chapter 8 where we are going to learn in the first subtopic about types of equilibrium. The definition of equilibrium is a state in which there are no observable changes as time goes by. It means that the reaction will be constant at certain times. And there are two types of equilibrium. The first one is physical equilibrium and the second one is chemical equilibrium. Let's focus to the first type, physical equilibrium. So physical equilibrium only involves physical change. For example, I have H2O liquid in liquid phase. It will reversible to form H2O in gas phase. As you see here, there are two different phases between liquid and gas, but the molecule still the water molecules. And what can you say from here? The number of H2O molecules leaving equals to the number of molecules returning to the liquid phase. So this is what can you say from physical equilibrium. Lihat physical phase yang berubah. Next one, let's go to the chemical equilibrium. So what happened during chemical equilibrium? Usually the reaction will undergo chemical reaction and most of them are reversible. For example, we consider N2O4 gas phase reversible with 2NO2 gas phase. As you see here, N2O4 gas is colorless while NO2 gas is in brown color. So when we introduce some of N2O4 liquid into a sealed flask kept at 100 degrees Celsius, a change will occur, and at this point a chemical change will happen immediately and the liquid vaporizes and the gas begins to turn into pale brown. So that's why from colorless dia jadi warna brown. And after that, the color slowly darkens from pale brown to dark brown until no further change can be seen by your naked eye, because at this point reactants and products concentrations stop changing because the forward and reverse reaction have become equal. So nilai dia sudah sama, dia takkan berubah, dia constant sudah. Dan kita illustrate as rate forward reaction equals to the rate reverse reaction. Dan contoh yang saya explain melalui analogi ini, awak boleh lihat berdasarkan this diagram. As you see here, this diagram show how the chemical equilibrium achieved between N2O4 gases with 2NO2 gas. So how this one happen? At condition A, the reaction starts. At this point, the color still colorless. At condition B, the mixture becomes pale brown, as you see just like this color. And ini menunjukkan N2O4 decompose to reddish brown NO2. This is the forward reaction. And after that, once product NO2, reddish brown NO2 form, this NO2 straightway will dissociate to form N2O4 back. Dan reaction at condition C, the mixture reaches to the final color, which is the dark brown. Just like this diagram, you see the color is the dark brown. And what can we say? At this point, the reaction reaches the equilibrium. And we can say that at equilibrium, N2O4 molecules decompose as fast as NO2 molecules combine together to form the reactant back. So that's why ada reversible reaction between reactant dan juga produk. And at condition D, the concentration and the color remain constant and there will be no changes anymore because the color of the mixture stay as it is. So itulah cara how you want to differentiate between physical equilibrium and chemical equilibrium. but I hope you can differentiate between two of them, especially about chemical equilibrium, because the name of this chapter is the chemical equilibrium itself. So of course we are going to focus more about this type of equilibrium. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.